Hello, this is a scalable Sudokube, a cross between a Rubik's Cube and a Sudoku puzzle. Except when it's scalable, you're not limited to 1 to 9. It goes up to 16, 25, your dimensions squared, essentially. You click on a cube to cycle through planes of rotation. Spacebar toggles between clockwise and anti-clockwise. To confirm a rotation, you press enter or drag the mouse. That is the undo-redo feature. That is the mess up cube feature, so I just told it to make 30 random moves. You can save cubes in whatever state they're in. You can reset the cube to its default state. And you can load all files. This here is create mode, where you get to specify the solved appearance of the cube and essentially create any pattern you want. So you enter the numbers that you want to paint the face, enter the number that you want to paint the faces with, and you just click away. Obviously, you can't be repeating a number twice on a face, so in that case, I couldn't repeat the 3, but I can put 16 on. You can save files save cubes in their partially created state. You can load a default skin if you just want to switch one thing. So in that case, you're switching the 8 and the 12. You can exit the create mode once your cube is finished and fiddle around with it. And you can go back and load your partially created cube. Enter paint mode. So this is where you get to assemble your cube, which is different from creating it. Here you kind of change the positions of the little cubelets. So the idea is that you specify the face numbers in ascending order. Here I'm selecting the 111 cubelet. There happens to be only one 111 cubelet, so now I can't select it again. I have to go and select the 1413 cubelet. There happen to be multiple 1413 cubelets, so it is still available for this corner. And you can just enter the face numbers directly. You don't have to navigate and click on them. You can press the spacebar to change the orientation of the cublet. To sort of remove a cublet, you just click on it again, and then it gets re-added to the available cublet list. So here I can select 111. You can save cubes in their partially painted states. Poodle Slayer in this case, it's a bit of an inside joke. I'm the Poodle Slayer. You can reset to the default state, so if you just want to change one tiny thing, in this case the orientation of the 2-8 cube, that's also possible. You can exit the mode and work with your assembled cube. And you can also go back and load your partially painted states. So I've covered the main features of the program, and now I'm going to go into a small technical detail about cublet handedness. You can skip it if you want, I thought it was interesting. So a 3-faced cublet with unique face numbers can be either left-handed or right-handed. By right-handed, I mean when you view the cublet from the corner, the numbers go anti-clockwise in ascending order. The 1413 cube in view, for instance, is right-handed. Now the default cube contains 3 right-handed 1413 cubelets. Now I'm going to load a cube where there is 1 left-handed 1413 cubelet and 2 right-handed 1413 cubelets. Now let's see how this factors into paint mode. So if I want to paint that corner with a 1413 cubelet, I will be prompted to select the handedness. So here I'm saying, okay, give me the left-handed cubelet. Very well. Now when I want to paint, let's say that corner with a 1413 cubelet, I don't have to select the handedness because there are only 2 right-handed 1413 cubelets left in the inventory. Same goes for that corner. And now, of course, I've used up all the 1413 cubelets, so they aren't available anymore. There's a 114 cubelet available. That's the end of the small feature. Adios.